Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. So I recently did a paint pour using leftover paints, greens and yellows, and funny enough, I had some leftover paint from that pour, so that's what I'm doing on this pour. I had combined all of the colors in here, and I also have some leftover white. So I think I'm going to add the white to the top and then do a tree ring and see how that goes. So this is super cool. I saw some cloud cells popping up as I was pouring, and I think more are developing now. So that makes me think that there is some Deco Art Satin Enamel white in that leftover white that I had. I didn't remember what was in there, so it's probably Deco Art Satin Enamel and Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. I also saw some chunks in here. Unfortunately, I think that's from one of the greens, so I'm going to try to get those out now, at least the ones that I can see, and then I'll hit it with my torch again and see if we can bring out more of those cloud cells. All right, this has been sitting for a few minutes, so let's take a closer look. Now, I already can tell it's not showing all of the colors on the camera, which is disappointing because there's actually quite a lot of intricate layers. On the camera, it's kind of looking only like maybe 2 colors, but there's a lot of different colors that I'm seeing in person. Hopefully when I blow this video up, you'll be able to see it a little bit better. Over here, there's several different layers of color, yellows and greens and white. And then in here, this kind of looks like a spider to me, like a spider in the middle of a web. I don't know, let me know if you see something different. Now, back up over here is where we have some of that kind of cloud cell effect still. I think I poured most of it off, unfortunately, but it's still a really cool tree ring, I think. I don't think the pattern will change very much as it dries, though it will get darker as it dries. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video. And if you have something to say about the paint pour, leave a comment down below. It really helps out my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.